Hey everyone, what's happening? Well, today I have a major gripe with Pop! OS and the way they have handled this upgrade to 20.04. Now, if you didn't know, I'm running Pop! OS 1910 on my main production machine, and I went to go and do an update, and I was going to upgrade to 20.04 today, but I went to go and run my updates. And let's actually go and jump over to my desktop. And we're going to show you what I mean. Because I noticed this. We're going to go ahead and open up a terminal and just run an sudo apt update. Of course, my password, and now it's going to go ahead and run. Now take a look at the repositories it's pulling from. Local, which is 20.04. I am running Pop! OS 1910, which is Eon. Now, I never changed my repositories. I was never prompted to upgrade to 20.04 LTS, but it's doing it automatically. And a lot of people might say, since I was going to upgrade anyway, this shouldn't be a big deal. Well, I still consider this a big, huge deal. And here's why. Some people like to stay on the older version of the OS for a couple weeks before they upgrade to make sure there are no bugs. Now, before you say, well, Ubuntu has a very solid beta testing schedule, etc., and procedure, there have been bugs being released with some versions of Ubuntu when they push a new update. So this is this can be a major problem for people when they're choosing, when they may want to choose to stay on 1910, which is supported for another 3 months, which would be this is April, May, June, till probably the end of July. Till the end of July, I think they support till like the last day of July. And you're forcing someone to upgrade to 20.04 who may not be ready to upgrade. So I find this rather distasteful, and System 76 needs to fix that. Now, I think that this is something that System 76 needs to take a look at, because this is not the way Linux is supposed to run. I'm supposed to be in control, and not you. Me. Now, I'm probably going to still continue running Pop! OS. I still have to like it, but I think you need to rethink your upgrade procedure when it comes to point releases. Now, I can't imagine it's going to do it with 20.04 because 20.04 is an LTS release, and Pop! OS does have LTS releases as well. So I don't think that that's going to happen automatically with Pop! OS 20.04, but still, with your point releases, they're supported for another 3 months. You shouldn't be forcing it. Now, a word of caution to people who are upgrading Pop! OS. Now, we're going to go ahead and jump over to my desktop again. And there we go. Now, when I run on apt upgrade, okay, it's supposed to have a sudo. Notice it's saying 199 not upgraded. If you're going to do this like this, you want to do a sudo apt dist -upgrade so that you can upgrade those 199, because that can cause some package conflicts, so be on the lookout for that. Also, before you run this command, and some people would say, yeah, this is a dangerous command. It can be. Install timeshift. It's in the Pop! OS repositories, and back up your system files as a snapshot. And I put mine on an external hard drive, but you don't have to. But make sure you have that a snapshot before you do that. And so run that sudo apt dist upgrade after you set a snapshot. If you like that video, go ahead and give it that thumbs up. If you didn't, that's what that thumbs down button is for. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.